Alright, scrappers, welcome back to the channel once again. I'm Denny the Scrap-Meister. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do, and tell all your friends about this old guy, the Scrap-Meister. Got this here out of a furnace. It's a regulator for the gas, and I noticed that it has brass fittings there, and I've never taken one of these apart. I always just went into shred, but it is aluminum. And I just wanted to do a little video and see how hard it is to take one of those apart, whether or not it's worth it or not. So yeah, let me grab some tools and we'll get right at it. Come on. Huh. Either I'm getting weaker by the day or that thing's really in there. Ugh. Holy man. I wonder if it's from the heat. 'Cause it's not turning at all. All right, let's put her in the vise. Might have to get a wrench. Boy, those are in there. Wow. Maybe a socket or a wrench would have been better. But we got it out. All right, try this one. Oh, wow, did you see what I just did? I jammed my finger right on there. Whew, gotta watch what you're doing all the time. Taking this stuff apart. I was so concentrated on squeezing hard on this plier so that it wouldn't spin on there, and then I rammed my finger right into there. But we're all right, it didn't draw blood or anything. All right, there we go. Woo! Yeah. Now it's got them dippy screws there. I think they're even safety screws. Safety screws. I think we have those though. I think we have them. What do you think's inside that thing? Is there anything good in there? Let me know in the comments if you know what's inside there. Wonder if this thing's gonna come out of here. Come on. Ooh, we got a sliver. She's making it hurt too. Little brass sliver. Oh, is that gonna come off of there? Or the guy's got enough pipe dope on there to probably hold it. Yeah, he had lots and lots of pipe dope on there, but only at the end. It looks like it's copper, but it's not. All right, one down. Now we gotta find some of them safety screws. So we got 4 of these things so far, and a little piece of shred. Safety screws. How about these right here? Should we try these? Try these. It almost sounded like Chinese. Oh, that's way too big. How about this size? That's too big. Oh, that's just right. Now, what am I going to put that in to turn it? Wonder if the drill's going to have enough oomph to do it. Will she have enough oomph? Oh yeah, finally something comes apart easy. Is it spring loaded or something's gonna fly and hit me in the face? I guess not. Huh. That's shred. It's got this little dingus thingus going on here. I'll put that in shred. I don't know what the heck's that. Is that gonna come out of there? Does it have to come out of there? Or is it aluminum or something? Is it aluminum? It's either aluminum or stainless steel. I probably think it's stainless. Huh. All kinds of little things in there. There, we got that out of there. Okay, this side looks pretty clean. Oh, look at that. You dummy. Sticking your hand right in that crap. Let's wipe that off so we don't do it again 3 times. All right, well, let's flip her over and see what we got going on in there. Looks like an electromagnet right there. Looks like an electromagnet. Oh, there's a little piece of brass there. Sure, those are a different size. Well, see what I just did? I threw the whole doggone thing onto the bench. Where'd it go? Am I cracking up? Come on, where'd it go? I don't see you. Well, there's the screw. Where did the other part go? Well, this is stupid. There it is. How'd it get way back here, for God's sakes? Need a stronger magnetic in there. Yeah, well, I think I got them all out. This electromagnet thing here is screwed in there. Might have to pop this top off of it if I can, because it's looks like it's riveted. Oh, that wasn't gonna work, Dennis. Okay, look at this. We got shred here. More shred. Spring. Gasket. Well, gasket don't go in there, Dennis. Gasket goes in the garbage. Yeah, all right. Now, I suppose that's, hopefully that's not steel. Nope. Nope. All right, now we're gonna be able to turn this thing off of here. There's old Sticky sticking on the old tools again. Is that going to be the right way? I don't think so. I think it's got to go this way, doesn't it? It's hell to be old, people. Hell to be old. All right. So, that's why they give us these tools. Let's see if it's worth it. Well, look there. It's pretty heavy. Should we see how much it weighs? Turn this little old scale on here. Move my soda. We're on pounds and ounces. 1 pound exactly. So that's 40 cents, right? 50 cents maybe. Was it worth it? I don't know. I guess when it all adds up, it's worth it. So, another little piece of shred. So yeah, what do you think of that, huh? So, this part here, we're gonna have to see if we can get this stuff off of here. I almost said something else. All right, now we were gonna see if we could, looks like that's just pushed on there, but there's a pin through the middle maybe. I don't know, man. How's that come off there? Boy, that thing does wonders, don't it? Wonders. There, now they come right off, see? Why don't that want to come out of there? Really? Come on. It's like it's sucked onto there. That's why it's sticking into there. Boy, oh boy. There. There she goes. There she goes. Oh boy. Feels heavy. How heavy is that? Oh, it didn't even register. That scale, I bet you put that on a postage scale, that'd be almost 3 ounces, I bet you. Because it's a little heavier than a golf ball. Alright, so I gotta find a thing that'll fit that. Probably this size, huh? Gosh, no, it's way smaller. It's way smaller than that. There it is. There it is. Woo! So when you guys watch videos, do you ever like mentally think about, before you click away from the video, that you watch far enough to see the second ad so that the guys get paid for those ads? That would really help a channel out, you know? Just saying, you know? It's one of those things. Yeah, I never leave a video until the end, but there's a lot of people that do. Can't even keep them there for 5 minutes, for gosh sakes. No patience nowadays. Patience was a virtue when I was growing up. Now patience is unheard of. Why am I trying to get this board out of here? I don't know why. So you know it's going to be a low grade, whatever it is. I don't even want to mess with this, Dennis. Then don't. Look at that stuff. You know what? That looks like shred to me. All right, this thing, how do we get that out of there? There we go. Is that stainless? No, it's shred. Look at those things. Where'd those come from? Ooh, now I'm blooding. Don't know what I hit that on. What do you think? Is that little brass thing gonna come out of there? Oh yeah. brass. We still got that thing. Oh, there's a plastic thing down there, and it looks like it's got a screwdriver head thing on it. So it's screwing right out of there. Come on. Oh boy, come on. There's a little hole down in the center of it. What can I stick down there to pull that out of there? This nail? There we go. All that for that stupid little thing, and there wasn't even threads on it. Put her in shred. And then we got a spring down in there. All right. Now we gotta get the old electromagnet off of there. That's another electromagnet. 2 of them babies. Well, get the old. There we go. Missed that. Ain't this fun, huh? There's another electromagnet. And there's some more of them things down in there. Is this the size? Sure. Shred, shred. Hot, hot. She's hot. More shred. Oh boy, come on. There we go. Now there's a little plastic thing here. Well, that wasn't doing nothing. Wasn't doing a darn thing, for cripe's sakes. All right, there's that. All right, so there you have it right there. I believe it's clean now. Let's see if Sticky finds anything to the ordinary. Nope, looks like it's clean. It's absolutely clean enough that if they stick a magnet to it, they ain't gonna find anything. How about this? How much does that weigh? They are part weighed a pound exactly. And that weighs 6 ounces. So 1 pound, 6 ounces of cast. Oh, I did that again. And I didn't crack these open. Let's crack these open once quick. I don't know if we have to crack them or... Huh. Well, ain't that weird? It was all coming out so nice, and now this last little bit that's coming off the sides is coming out one little strand at a time, getting hooked on everything. Uh-oh, there we go. We're hooked around there. Wonder what we can scrape that out of there with. What can we scrape that out of there with? Well, that ain't being any fun at all. Huh. You know what? I ain't even gonna mess with that. Unless it starts coming out like right now. Yeah, I've had enough fun with that. Into the garbage. So for the third time, be sure to watch one of the cool videos that's on screen right now.